Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify home page. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify home page, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll go to click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.